Today is October 22nd, 2020. Got this really nice 182 here for sale. Low time airframe, low time engine. Really good shape. Just had the wheel pants repainted. They're beautiful. About to go fly it. Got the LEDs in the wing. Just drug it out of the hangar. Gonna go take it for a ride. I got my cleaning supplies back there. She starts up real easy. Climb in here. Let me zoom out. There we go. Got a little bit of a glare. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Get the old headsets on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Master coming on. We got a separate radio master. Usually wait till after I'm started and the engine's stable before I turn it on. Got your flow monitor and your EGT gauge. Digital electronic engine temperatures. Let's see. Fire her up here. In warm weather, she usually doesn't even need a prime. We're clear. Fires right up like a charm. Radio's coming on. Got that nice selector panel. The King radios. Got your ILS. The ILS has just been certified back in September, the full system. There's your fuel flow monitor. Currently 2 gallons an hour here, sitting idle. This is hooked up to the ADS-B with this antenna and the Stratus. Gives you traffic. Zoom out, see if we can, there's some traffic on final right there. DME, everything works perfect. Plane runs like a top and all the equipment works